Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trin, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trin, we will be unboxing the HyperShield Stash Go Sleeve for your 13-inch to 14-inch laptop. So I got this from Amazon for $31.49 from Amazon. Today we will be unboxing this thing and checking this laptop sleeve out, but before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the packaging. So here it is. Here is the presentation of the HyperShield Stash Go sleeve that suits your 13-inch to 14-inch laptop size. Here's the sleeve itself and what it looks like on the interior. Let's go ahead and take a look at the features of this laptop sleeve. This has an accessory organization panel. This has a 360-degree protection. This sleeve is a water-resistant sleeve, and this has a scratch-resistant exterior. So those are the main features of this HyperShield Stash Go sleeve. Here we have the Hyper branding logo on each side. Here's the bottom side where you have your model number and barcode if you want to look this particular product up online. And now let's go ahead and take a look on the back side. So here it is. Here is the back side of the presentation. Here we have the Hyper logo, so it pretty much says the same thing as in front. And now we have a preview of what it looks like on the inside. So here is the accessory organization panel where you can have your things strapped. The HyperShield Stash Go sleeve is a slim, protective laptop sleeve with an interior organization panel to sort your additional tech accessories like cables, chargers, mice, and connectivity solutions. It's also compatible with any 13 to 14-inch MacBook. Features a 360 laptop protection as well as a water-resistant and scratch-resistant exterior, and it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. So that's basically the description here. It really highlights the HyperShield organization panel. As you can see right there, you can organize however you want. That's the real reason why I got this sleeve compared to the other sleeves that I looked up online. Let's go ahead and remove the sleeve from the packaging, which is strapped on. You need to use a scissor. And now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the sleeve. So here's the exterior of the sleeve. Here's the front side with the minimal Hyper branding logo, and here is what it looks on the inside. So here are the zippers with Hyper branding, and there's no problem with the zipping mechanism with this laptop sleeve. And here it is with the sleeve open. Let's get that out of the way. And here you can see the organization panels, and you can see that we have lots of kind of like elastic straps. So you can put in your laptop charger, your SSD drive, or any other accessory. Here, this has a soft padded interior. This is where you would put your 13 to 14-inch laptop. And here, I just really wish the sleeve was more of a hard shell than a soft shell. But the hard shell is actually on the inside, which is good. But I really wish this bottom part of the sleeve was more of a hard shell material, if that makes any sense. But that being said, let's go ahead and load up our accessories to the sleeve. Here I have my Samsung earbuds. Here is my portable mouse. Here you can strap it up like that. And here's what I'm carrying right now, which is going to be moved onto the sleeve, such as these USB and USB-C cables that you see here. Here's my adapters, power adapters, wall plug chargers, and all that typical stuff that you need when you are on the go. So let's go ahead and organize this. Let's just use this as an example. Here you have I have my cables and a power adapter. You always need a power adapter in order to charge your laptop. Here you have a USB-C cable and another USB-C cable, which is a 6-foot cable. Really organized here. And yeah, so you can always play around with it and however you want to use this organization panel to whatever is your liking. So here is my 13-inch MacBook Air M1, and here's how it fits into the sleeve. So lots of wiggle room since this is a 13-inch. So this sleeve itself has a 13 to 14-inch capacity, specifically for the Apple MacBook, and I have no problem zipping it up that easy. So here, it's lightweight, it's not heavy. Just wish that the sleeve itself was uses more of a hard shell material than a soft shell material. So here I have another laptop. This is a 14-inch Samsung Galaxy Book Go, a budget 14-inch laptop. Let's see if it can fit inside. And yeah, so it fits easily. So you can also fit a 14-inch Samsung laptop in this sleeve. And yeah, so that's what it looks like when it is all packed up and ready to go. Really love how minimal and easy this was, and I would really recommend the sleeve to anybody, since one of the feature this highlights is the organization panel. And like I said, if one thing that can be improved on is the sleeve itself. That is more of a hard shell, but yeah. So that is my MacBook Air. Let's see if it fits up again. And yeah, so I have no problem of zipping this up and putting it into my backpack. And yeah, so that is the HyperShield protective sleeve, and that will do it for this episode of Unbox with Alex Trin. Here's one last 360-degree look. And yeah, so that's about it for this episode of Unbox with Alex Trin. If you liked this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this laptop sleeve from Hyper. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trin. I'll definitely see you on the next one.